After this, I wonder what shopping shoes with a percussionist is like. Must be a very, very different experience. Hi, I'm Heinbach and it's good to have you back. One of the things that's the most fun for me when working with ensembles is going through the percussion storage space and picking the instruments for the performance. Because over the decades that these ensembles existed, the sheer amount of instruments that have been collected there is mind-blowing.
Das ist witziger.
At least that is my experience working with Ensemble Modern, and also now for my latest album with Ensemble Recherche. For Retold, I got to work with Christian Dierstein, a long-standing member of the ensemble, professor and co-author of the book The Techniques of Percussion Playing. He opened his treasure trove of instruments for me before we got to rehearsing. Since this was a piece I wanted to develop with the ensemble, I did not give Christian a list of all the instruments I wanted to play. Instead, I started by talking about the broader things that interest me and what interests me in particular for this project. If you follow my channel for a bit, you will know that Will It Music is a recurring theme. Making the unmusical musical is something I've been trying to do with telecommunications equipment, test equipment, and so on. Christian and me talked about this process of transformation, and that sparked a lot of ideas. There's the Verfremdungseffect. I like to hear instruments played differently to what they're supposed to. Oh! Fantastisch. there's the creative innocence of trying out something you've never done before, be it an instrument or a technique. And this is something I love to do on the channel. Here it's bring your toy to school day every day. And when I work with ensembles, I like to give that back. And everybody can bring something or try out something they've always wanted to try but never had the space before. That is an innocence you have to spend a lot of time with an instrument to get back to. For what ultimately became the album Retold, I wanted to have all these principles in place, so everything had to have a little twist. There was no real bass drum, instead there were wooden triangular shapes that could bring out bass. In particular, for this performance, I know that a lot of bass would come from the percussion, because the ensemble does not have a dedicated bass player, at least in the constellation we played in. But if you go low, you have to go high, and Christian built a beautiful room-filling installation of aluminum stripes suspended. During rehearsals, we got very far with the instrumentarium Christian had set up. But then there was a point when it was time to break the rules and just do something semi-traditional, if you can call avant-garde music of the 1960s that by now. I guess you can. For Home Stories, which was based on a chopped up and pulsating tape loop, Christian added a marimba, and he played it normally, so to say, in conjunction with Klaus on the piano. Their interlocking patterns gave it a kind of minimal music feel over which my pulsating tape loops and the other players could then form the highlight of the performance and the opening track of the album. This break from the rules I formulated before was absolutely fine, because the core principle of everything I do when I play with others is embrace play. Get everybody into an open mode with a framework around where we can all work together and improvise and build something together. In that world, I then bring into musical ideas, in this case in the form of tape loops, and that gets everybody going. That puts me in the lucky position of choosing from plenty and shaping the performance in a way that I find interesting over time. You can listen to Retold on cassette, CD and on digital. On my Patreon you'll find the full video of the live performance, and the second, more intimate one we played a little bit later. Your support there is what keeps this channel going, so thank you very much. If you have any more questions about the process, let me know in the comments below, and thank you all for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.